Well, God bless you. Thank you so much for watching Jay's Learning School. Welcome to another lesson. I am excited about today's lesson, and I'm excited and grateful for all of our new subscribers that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to learn 10 ways to say thank you. This is going to be so much fun. It's going to be a quick video, very brief, but you're going to get something out of it, some value that you can take and use in your day-to-day conversations. 10 ways to say thank you. With that being said, before we get into it, I want to invite you to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and like and comment. That will let me know that you are learning from my content. You appreciate the content, and share it with a friend who is trying to improve their English speaking. You doing these things will not only help the channel, but would also let YouTube know that they should recommend my videos to other people. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into today's lesson, 10 ways that you can say thank you. All right, our first one, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. If someone does something for you, instead of saying thank you, or another way to say thank you to that person is by saying, I really appreciate it. I appreciate what you have done for me. I appreciate you giving me my phone back. I appreciate you calling me for this interview. Those are ways to say thank you. Our next term, thanks a million. Thanks a million. Thanks a million. I like to shorten million and say meal. So I say thanks a meal. When someone buys me lunch, hey, I really appreciate it. Thanks a meal. Thanks a million. That's letting someone know that you are grateful for what they have done. Our next term, I owe you. I owe you. One way to tell a person that you are appreciative, hey, I owe you. But mean it when you say it. Someone buys you dinner, I owe you. I really appreciate it. And so next time you go out to eat, you pay for it. You show your thanks. I owe you. You're the best. You're the best. If your child cleans the car for you, you're the best. When someone picks up something that you dropped, you're the best. Thank you so much. You're the best. Another term, you made my day. You made my day. If you get a flat tire, someone pulls over to help you fix that flat tire. Thank you so much. You have made my day. Or you have made my day. That is a way to show your gratitude. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time. You watch my video. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your time. If you're on the phone with someone and they're explaining to you technical support with your cell phone, with your cable, or some other thing you have around the house, you would tell them, I appreciate your time. Our next term, thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. Everything you've done for me, thank you. Thanks for everything. And of course, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Instead of saying thank you very much. You left your phone somewhere, someone brought it to you. Thank you very much. Your child cleaned the kitchen for you. Thank you very much. Your spouse, your significant other, they did something wonderful for you. Thank you very much. These are ways that you can tell a person thank you. Our next term, you saved my day. You saved my day. Someone does something for you that was somewhat very helpful. You saved my day. That is another way that you can say thank you. You saved my day. And our last term for today, I am so grateful. I am so grateful, or I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for my birthday gift. I am so grateful for my anniversary gift. I'm so grateful for my Christmas gift. I'm so grateful. Well, I told you today's lesson was going to be very quick and very brief. And again, I am so grateful that you have watched my video here on Jay's Learning School. I hope you take the time to like, comment, and even subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. As I said at the beginning, this will truly help the channel out as well as YouTube when it comes to the algorithm and recommending the video to someone else. As I always say here on the channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you are able to check out some of my other videos that I have here and you enjoy them, share them, and as I always say, have a wonderful day and may God bless you.